Welcome to the vlog. We're on the mission to get the M3. E90 M3. You know, I'm a four-door whore. Got the 8th gen Civic SI right here with the K20. Is it K20, K24? I don't fucking know. I'm a Beamer boy. I'm new to this shit, okay? It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I don't want it anymore. I want an M3. So we're gonna wash and polish this bad boy. Get it ready to be sold. 740 long wheelbase. Look at that bad boy. Oh my god, I love this fucking thing. But when the M3 calls, the M3 calls, and that's just how it is. So these two are gonna be parted out and shit. This and the E39. This is my first car. 350K, 540, 6-speed manual. So the 6-speed. C-pillar is fucked. I hadn't planned with those cars, but they're dog shit, honestly. This is probably the nicest one, but who the fuck wants a tan interior? Not me. This is the only car I'm gonna keep, you know. Gotta keep the E36 coupe. I gutted the shit out of this thing. I still got the dash, got new fenders, gonna get a new seat. This thing's going full race car, full cage. 325, M50. M50? Pretty sure M50. No, 325, 752, I'm pretty sure. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. I've been a fucking hermit. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're selling everything, getting E90 M3. I missed my 335, but I need a V8 in my life, man. I need an absolute gas guzzling mistake. Go to Honda to a V8, man. What the fuck am I doing? I'm gonna daily the E36 for a while. I'm actually gonna get another 8th gen Civic and like an LX or an EX. Dude, I should get a fucking Insight. I might get an Insight, dude. Those things are gas. Or a Honda Fit. I'm just gonna start off with a quick lather, maybe a little clay bar. I don't think it needs it that bad though. It's just been sitting here for a year and a half or two. And then I'm gonna polish. I don't think it needs any compound. Pretty sure it really just needs the paint brought back. So we're gonna use the orange HDO Lake Country Pad, Lake County. We're gonna use the orange Lake County HDO pad. Let's get after it, man. I think we are gonna go ahead and clay bar. We're just gonna start with this right half for now. So then at the end we can tell we get a good difference. There actually is just a little bit of cutting I'm gonna have to do here. Not much, just in a little section right here. So we got working with right now. Definitely getting there. You can already tell the difference. Wait, it's that bad boy right there I'm trying to get. Might have to up the compounder. This is what we got so far. It's an insane difference. Probably just a 5-footer for now, but we're gonna start on the roof right here. You can kind of tell the difference already. This is only a little bit. We're just testing out, see what pads we need. It works best on this type of paint and this type of wear. But yeah, we're getting there.
What's good?
Ole!
Hello. What's good, fam? Today we're working on the Beamer a little bit, getting the polish done for the hood. It's looking pretty fucking good. Like, honestly, there's some spots that we gotta, take a look at past it, but generally,
So 100 times better than what we started with. So.
yeah, it's way fucking better from what we started with.
And at this point, it's like, how much do we want to do? How long do we want to do this for?
We could do it for fucking ever, but eventually you just gotta call it. And I don't think we're there yet, but like, this is what you say, like 99%?
Yeah, 90 maybe.
90 maybe.
You still gotta polish the other side, but
Yeah. But overall,
looks bizarre.
I would say that this is a pretty fucking good job. I know with the Focus over there, we should be getting to it, but this is more fun. Not gonna lie, Red's a little bit more fun to polish. We'll get to the Focus eventually, but I think we're kind of switching gears for what we're doing at the moment. Just trying to see what works, you know. We bought a lot of pads. Jordan, how many pads did we buy?
Like 10 or 12.
Like a good.
No bullshit. Half of them aren't even gonna be here until the middle of this month. I got Prime for 2-day shipping. That shit's a month and a half shipping. What do you mean?
Amazon, what the fuck is up? All right.
Fuck Amazon. I hope you guys lose that lawsuit. Fuck the F.
Fuck you. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Fuck you, buddy.
Beat your ass. Goodbye.
Peace.